Hello, this is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. This is the weekend edition. It is Saturday, November 28th. One more trading day in this month, and I just want to do a quick update on what happened on Friday. Friday was a short trading day, and I want to give you some news and things to think about for the next week. And I'm also going to show some of my month-end summary, which includes my 401k plan, the values, and the summary of my option trade for November. So let's get right to it. This weekend is Black Friday, and Saturday continues on to Cyber Monday. But it's no surprise to most people who follow this space. Online shopping is huge. You can see all these different articles about online shopping is higher, and that just makes sense. Most people are still going to buy. You can buy through Amazon or your favorite retail store, and they will deliver. You do not have to risk your health to go out in line and wait and sleep in a tent for 2 days or whatever it is, 8 hours, just to get a deal. Most retailers have extended the way you can buy certain items over a course of a week. And I just wanted to cover some of these things. So let's take a quick look. Here's the first article. We'll just scroll down a little bit. To no surprise, traffic at stores fell. You expect traffic to fall. So that's interesting. We know why. Obviously, with COVID, it's not always weather related. It's not because there was a big snowstorm and it caused people to stay home and it was too cold to go out shopping. But because foot traffic is lower, it would imply that people are buying through different ways. You can shop through your mobile phone. You can shop through your desktop computer. So shopping is definitely very easy to do. Now, there are some good news. The American consumer will always keep on shopping. You can almost count on it. And what's surprising is there is an uptick in people who are late on their credit card bills, and there's also an uptick in people who may have trouble paying their rent or mortgage. So back to this. So I don't think we're going to be out of this. There's a couple other things happening over the weekend. There's some merger news that popped up some tech stocks. There was some assassination with some nuclear scientists, and that may cause markets to drop on Monday. So we have to watch the market. So let me go on with this episode. So the next thing we're going to look is my 401k plan. Wanted to show you what the value is. So you see the date here. This was updated as of Friday. I finally broke $50,000 in this particular plan. You see my contributions for 2020 is only $5,400 so far. My employer matched a couple $1,000. And this is what's surprising for most people. 17% rate of return. That is pretty good for 2020. We'll take a quick look at here. Let's see what the S&P returned this year. I like to hit the 1-year chart. S&P is, okay, I'm just going to make it easy to compare, so I'm just going to pick anything. I don't really care. Let's pick this really crazy thing here. You just need something to compare, and you'll see the numbers. Whoops, why is it not joining? Okay, there you go. 6 months. I know I picked something ridiculous that went high, but I wanted to show you. The S&P 500 is up 12% this year, which is great. In this particular plan here, it's not bad. 17% is beating the market. Now, for the next part, I wanted to show you what it looked like last month. Hey guys, this is my Facebook page for Solving Chaos. So you'll see, here's my 401k plan. So let's see what it looked like just a couple weeks ago. So we're going to look for that real quick. We'll back out, we'll scroll down, we'll look for it. So it's going to be right here. If you see this one, I created a post not too long ago explaining, look at the value. So less than 2 weeks ago, or a little bit more than that, you see that on the 12th, which is 2 weeks ago, my account was at 48,000, and I explained where all the money came from. It was zero in 2016, Here's how much money I put in. It's only $24,000 over 4 years. So it's about $6,000 what you put in. All the matching funds are worth about $12,000 here. And you see the gains from the stock market. And that's how the account went to $48,000. And again, this was 2 weeks ago. So now we're at $50,000 and a half. So this is why you want to invest. The money that I got from matching is money that it doesn't matter. It comes for free. Your employer is paying that. Plus whatever gains you get from the market. So now the market is up 17%. You can see where the money is coming from. So that's really what I wanted to show you through my 401k plan. Hey, but there's more. So don't go anywhere. Now let's go into my brokerage account. Okay, so I open up my trusty spreadsheet that I have, and I'm going to paste data here. So let's grab some transactions out first. Here you guys go. I'm going to just copy the transactions. 27 and 28. These don't count. These don't count. I don't care about those. Those are not trading activities. That was the previous day. So I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to paste over here. Okay, hang on a second. Let me see if I have more. And in this one, I think the only thing we have to copy is right here. I don't care about the interest and the loans and the margins. So here you go. This was a iron condor. So let's copy that. Hang on. Let's do that. Okay. So we got back to the spreadsheet. Here you go. Paste it in. There you go. So now I'm just going to do some magic of editing so you don't have to sit here and watch me just copy everything back in and reformat everything. So, okay. I think I fixed everything here. I set all of these to what I remember. And I think I did everything. So I'll go through it real quick. This was definitely a cover call. That was a cover call. This, I was closing an iron condor and Microsoft cover call. I rolled that one out. I did a video on that one earlier this week. Cover call. Okay, iron condor. Okay. To fix this formatting. And then here's the part most people like to see. What did I make for this week? Remember, I fixed an error from earlier this week. This is what, and then let's hit the refresh. And there you go. It cost me money to close, don't forget. So that's what happened there. I closed up a couple positions on Microsoft, and so that's the way it'll show you. You see that? And this one, I did lose money on this one here. If you look at the filtering, if you do net, it cost me money to roll this out. But don't forget, I'm moving the strike price $4 up. You see that? So I moved it out 1 month out. But I had to move it $4 up. It did cost me money, $350. But I'm trying to do this in case there was ever early assignment risk. The money that you spend up front is still less than the current market price. So you're actually making $50 by doing this particular move. Hopefully you understood that. So let's exit out of that. So decent week if you just add this up. Here's the week. I want to make sure I didn't do it wrong. 23rd. There you go. If you do it like that, $1,800 this week. Go to the month, hit the refresh button, and there you go. So I have one more trading day. So let's see what happens. Hopefully the market is under control and nothing weird happens. As the month comes to an end, I just want to leave you with this thought. I hope you guys had a good time with your friends and family for Thanksgiving, that you had some time to reflect. While I do run a money channel on YouTube, I want you guys to know money is not the most important thing. Sure, it buys you a lot of options and choices that you might not have. But the reason I run this channel is to give you a better quality of life so that you can make choices on what you consider important. Money is just a tool. It's not the most important thing. I teach that you got to protect yourself from certain risks, to protect your loved ones, using insurance. I teach that you should try to delay gratification, the adult marshmallow test. If you can withhold and wait before you really need to buy something, most often you don't really need it. Happiness doesn't come from buying a new car or a new big screen TV. In the end, what I teach is when you do these things, life becomes less stressful. You have more choices to do the things that really make a difference, to impact your neighborhood and your community and the family around you, to leave a legacy that changes not just your family, but the families around you. With that, I want to say thank you for supporting me so far this year. As we go out into the Christmas season, I hope that you will enjoy all my future videos that I will make and that can come along on this journey with me. Let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time and have a profitable day.